Hello kids, how are you all today? So today in this session we will be discussing about the types of numbers. As we all know that there are many numbers, but do you know what exactly the numbers are? For example, we are having natural number, whole number, integers, rational number, irrational numbers. But what are they? So in this session we will be discussing about the numbers. We are starting with natural numbers. Now, what are natural numbers? Natural numbers are numbers starting from 1. It means counting starting from 1. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4 till infinity. Okay, understood. Now, what are natural numbers? Natural numbers are number starting from 1. So, with next, whole numbers. Now, what are whole numbers? Whole numbers are numbers that start with 0. In whole numbers, 0 is included. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till infinity. Now, for example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 till infinity. Now, third one, integers. Now, what are integers? Integers are natural numbers and whole numbers both, but with their negative also. Here I am writing, it includes natural numbers plus whole numbers with their negatives. So, integers are the numbers starting with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 till infinity, and their negatives are also included. Now, for example, 0, 1, 2, 3 till infinity. Now minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. So understood what are natural numbers? Natural numbers are the numbers that start with 1. What are whole numbers? Whole numbers are the numbers that start with 0. And what are integers? Integers are combination of natural numbers and whole numbers, and in integers the negatives are also included. Now for example, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now next one is rational number. Now what are rational numbers? Rational numbers are the numbers that can be expressed as a fraction term. Rational numbers are the numbers that can be expressed as a fraction of two integers. Now, in this, it can be represented in the form of P and Q, and Q is not equals to 0. For example, 1 upon 2, 3 upon 5, minus 3 upon 5, 0, 5, and so on. So, understood what are rational numbers? Rational numbers are the combination of two integers that can be represented in the form of P upon Q as a fraction, and q is not equals to 0. For example, 1 upon 2. In this, we have one numerator and another one is denominator. Now with the next, what are irrational numbers? Now, irrational numbers are the numbers that cannot be represented in the form of P upon Q, or they cannot be represented in the form of fraction. And here the numbers are non-repeating and non-terminating. This means यहाँ पे जब भी हम कोई भी नंबर को, कोई भी अगर नंबर हमें दिया हुआ है, उसको अगर हम डिवाइड करते हैं तो कभी भी उसका रिमाइंडर ज़ीरो नहीं आएगा एंड जो नंबर्स हैं डिवीजन के टाइम बार बार रिपीट नहीं होंगे. सो सिंपल, irrational numbers are the numbers that cannot be represented in the form of P upon Q or a fraction. Understood? Now examples of irrational numbers are under root 2, under root 5, or some pi and all. Next one is, what are real numbers? We have done natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers. But what are natural numbers? Natural numbers, it include both rational numbers and irrational numbers. Real numbers is a combination of rational numbers and irrational numbers. So I hope you understand all the numbers regarding this. Now you will be clear with the topic of natural number, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, and real numbers. If anything that you didn't understand, please comment me in the comment section so that I can solve all the queries that you are having. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.